Everybody, welcome to this short video. And in this video we're gonna take a look on how we can create this kind of an app. You can type here, you see, you select all the countries, their flag and their codes. For example, if you just type here PK, you have here Pakistan. This is PK Pakistan, so you get all the country code. So what I've done here is I've already created application, but how to create an application? You just go here, new, and you create a new Android project. You click next. You give your the name, and then you select your maximum API. So I just go with this 15, so that you say that your application will run on approximately 100% of the device. So yeah, you choose your location to save your file, and then your company, you can leave it like this. If you want to upload it on Google Play Store, then you remove this example because Google Play Store is not allowing this example. So you change the example, then you put your name. So that is it. I'm not gonna click finish because I already created it. Sorry, I'm gonna create I'm gonna just click finish. Sorry, cancel. So basically you have to go to we have to put here you have to use internet, write this little bit of code, and then again we go to we'll go to pub.devrel. So let me look for pub.devrel here. But we have to, let me show you people here. Some people know this is pub.devrel. We go to test after app. So you got here, this is your code that you have to implement. There's a code you have to implement. C.hpp20, put this one CCCP, and this one 2.1.9. So these are the codes. So you can implement this one or both of them. It's okay. Then after that you click sync. Then the next thing you go to activity main. So activity main, let me just make it white. So ultimately I've just put the relative layout and how to do it. You click and convert, and then you click relative layout. Anyone will want to change. So I've already done it, so I'm not gonna do it again. So yeah, I have a text view. I have a relative layout I change, and then I have another text view, linear layout, and then this is all the manipulation, what is going on. So I have my com.hpp country code picker. So this is everything. So then I have my edit text view again, and then I close everything. So that is it. So if you run the app, there's not a lot of code there. So if you run it, so you guys will just see. So that's all about the app. So if you have any doubt, anything, just email me, or you leave any comment down below, and then I will see how I can explain furthermore about this application. It's very simple. So that is it, not too much code. So you have so many countries. So all of the countries, Asian, African, American, all. So guys, that's all about it, to get all the country code and the number. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. And until then, see you guys. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below and let me hear what you think about it.